Hello everyone. Welcome to the fascinating world of YouTube monetization in 2025. Today, we're going to dive deep into how you can turn your passion into profit on this incredible platform. Firstly, it's crucial to understand the various forms of monetization that YouTube offers. There are 6 distinct opportunities, each with its own charm and potential. Just imagine your ideas and creativity turning into revenue. But hold on. To embark on this journey, there are some initial requirements you need to meet. Think of them as the treasure map that will guide you to success. You'll need at least 500 subscribers who are passionate about your content and have published more than 3 videos in the last 90 days. In addition, your creations must accumulate 3,000 hours of public views on longer videos, or, if you're a fan of short videos, 3 million views on them. Reaching this initial goal is like unlocking a new level in the game. With 500 subscribers, the doors open to profit from subscriptions from engaged fans, vibrant super chats in your lives, and the valuable thanks in your videos. It's an incredible way to feel the support of your community and be rewarded for it. But if you dream of total monetization, prepare for the next challenge. YouTube requires 1,000 loyal subscribers and 4,000 hours of content watched on your longer videos. Or, for short lovers, 10 million views in the last 90 days. This is the key to unlocking the full earning potential of your channel. Now, the million-dollar question. How does YouTube pay? The answer is simple and magical. Through the ads that appear on your videos. Brands invest in YouTube to reach the right audience, and YouTube generously shares this value with you, the content creator. After approval for monetization, the journey continues. You'll need to activate monetization on every video you post. Keep an eye on the monetization icon. If it's green, all good. But if it appears yellow or red, there may be copyright or inappropriate content issues. It's like a traffic light, guiding you on the right path. And how much can you earn? That's the million-dollar question. The value varies, like a river that changes its course, depending on your channel's niche, your audience, and the length of your videos. Longer videos are like fertile ground, allowing for the insertion of more ads and, consequently, increasing your earning potential. Channels with a more adult audience and specific niches are like hidden treasures, with a higher CPM, cost per 1,000 views. In short, YouTube in 2025 offers a universe of opportunities for content creators. With dedication, passion, and the right strategies, you can turn your videos into an incredible source of income. So, get ready, create quality content, and embark on this adventure. Success is within your reach. Now, if you want to know the editing secrets that every beginning YouTuber must know, click this video now.